Here's a quick tip before you buy hosting. This updated Hostinger coupon code gives the maximum savings. In this short Hostinger review, I'll show you how to unlock one of the best web hosting deals available right now. When you go through the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, Hostinger will automatically apply an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months during checkout. If the pricing appears in another currency, simply click the flag icon at the top right corner, select your country, and the page will instantly update the local pricing. In this Hostinger review, one thing that really stands out is how beginner-friendly the platform feels, while still delivering strong website performance. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for better speed and optimization. Because of its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance, Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting platforms for beginners, creators, businesses, and growing websites. Every hosting plan also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee for extra confidence. When you combine the extra 20% discount with the 3 bonus months, the final cost becomes much lower compared to standard pricing. So if you're planning to build a website, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the complete offer instantly. And if you need more flexibility later, Hostinger also provides advanced features like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N for larger online projects. To secure the highest savings available today, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months on Hostinger.